Hi everyone, this is Ginny Foster with Neff Power, and I'm here today with Charlie Torres from SICK.
Nice to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. So Charlie, you are a controls engineer. Tell us about yourself, how you got started in engineering, and how you got to be where you are here today.
Okay. I went to school in the Dominican Republic. I graduated as an electrical engineer. I moved from the Dominican Republic to the States and started working as a controls engineer about 8 years ago. With SICK, I have about 4 years, and I'm currently a DTC engineer, which stands for Digital Technical Consultant Engineer. So within that team is where I actually started to learn about robotics, and that's why I'm here today.
So you've been helping our team get up to speed with the camera systems from SICK and also integrating them in with the Yaskawa robots.
Yes, I am. So currently I'm here to work with our 3D cameras, but I'll be showcasing the 2D technologies that we offer for robot guidance.
So we have behind me a PLOC2D, and it would be really cool.
That stands for, if you don't know what it stands for,
I don't know what it stands for.
PLOC2D, it would be power localization on conveyors in 2D, but it's not only for conveyors. As long as you need a 2D camera for a 2D application, it could be either localization, inspection, anomaly detection, whatever it is, you can use one of our cameras for that purpose.
So it's a localization camera for two-dimension.
Camera, which you can upload an app. In this case, we have the PLOC2D app, which is the localization app. But you can just upload whatever app you need for your purpose.
Okay.
So pretty cool stuff.
Charlie, how would you describe the PLOC2D to a 7th grader?
I would say that PLOC2D is a camera that works just like your eye. One eye, because each eye is 2D. So, and it has a special program inside that will look for certain features that you tell it to look for on what you want to pick up. And then it will tell the robot where that thing that you want to pick up is, and the robot will obey the camera's command saying we'll pick it up for you.
So would you consider the PLOC2D to be artificial intelligence?
I would not. This is what we call a simple 2D camera. It's not as advanced as some people say, but it does have a feature that it's a programmable camera. So I think I mentioned it before, where you can upload an app to it and use that camera for a certain application. So you can tailor it to many things, like many other applications you usually see in factories, localization of parts, inspection, anomaly detection, so you name it. But as far as AI, our team has been working with deep network capabilities in some of our cameras. But as far as I know, so far we don't have that on the PLOC2D. So my question would be no.
So you started mentioning some of the applications where it's used, like the localizing and the pick and place of parts. Yeah. What are some other applications where the PLOC2D would be used?
It would be anomaly detection. Okay. As far as I've seen it in the time I have working with PLOC2D, it would be those three.
Okay. Yeah. Anomaly detection, localization of parts, and inspection. Okay. So what are the benefits of the PLOC2D?
Well, one of the benefits is that it's an easy-to-use camera. So you do not need any special software to integrate it with your robot. When it comes to programming, you just need a browser on a laptop or a computer. So as long as you're on the same network as the camera, and you know the camera's IP address, you just need to log into the camera, and through the web browser, you do all the programming and integration. So no special software. As long as you can access the network and the browser, you'll be good to go.
Okay.
So easy to integrate and pretty reliable and pretty precise.
You ready to try an application right here?
Well, we can showcase what we have here.
Yeah, let's showcase it.
So the idea here is that the 2D camera will take a picture of the tabletop. I don't know if you can see it here. So we have candies on our tabletop. These are...
Just lollipops.
Lollipops, okay. We have lollipops on the table. The camera is programmed to look for certain features in the candy. So you teach a reference image to the camera, and then all the other candies will be an offset from the reference image you taught. So it will give the robot the coordinate system relative to the original picture just in case the candy is it's not in the same place. So that's how it works. It takes a picture, finds the candy, and gives the offset coordinate to the robot for it to go pick it up. So let's see if it works. So I should press the green button here. So it will take a picture. It will localize a candy. We still don't know which one yet. Usually sorted by the best score. Found candy. We're going to pick it up. And according to our program, it should hand it to you. Good job.
I just give it right back to the robot.
Yeah. Too much sugar is not good.
Yeah.
So